Our primary use case is new business sales. So our sales team, they demo the product, our product. And so after they get off a call, then they, put together a flow for our customers, and they include some marketing collateral, our pricing proposal, a recording of the recording of the meeting, a demo, all of this stuff. And it's just so nice to put it all in a flow. Man, it's really nice to have everything in one place. And so that was honestly when Stroll was sunset, our company was fundraising, and we were like pinching every single penny, and no one was getting approval to buy new things. And the reason that we internally were able to make a case for Flowla, because we were getting pushback from leadership, and they were saying, no, just go without, you don't need this tool. Is it business critical? And we said, it is absolutely business critical. That it helps us close deals. It helps us close deals faster. We have to get approval for Flowla. And I'm so glad we did, because it's been wonderful. Like I said, it was honestly like getting a new car that's many years newer and has so many more bells and whistles. That's what it was like moving from Stroll to Flowla. Anyways, primary use case is sales. And then because it is so user-friendly and so easy, we actually also use it for employee onboarding, not customer onboarding, but employee onboarding. Because I remember when I onboarded, it was like, here's an email with a whole bunch of links or a bunch of information, another email with more information, another email with more information. And I went to the person who does our onboarding and I said, Kim, would you be interested in this? And she was like, oh my gosh, this would be amazing. So we also use it as a fully remote company. It's hard to onboard people. It's hard. You can't say like, come into this office and we will hand you everything you need and walk you through all the things. No, we're fully remote. So having that kind of like one-stop shop to make onboarding employees easier has been a really, really beneficial additional use case. And when we switched to Flowla, our onboarding, the person who does our onboarding, she was part of the evaluation process. And then right when we picked Flowla and like went forward with it, she went on leave. And she came back from leave, and I remember the day that she slacked me and was like, oh my gosh, I just made my first flow and it's been amazing. It's so easy to use. Having a flow for onboarding, the incoming employee is less overwhelmed by everything. It's already overwhelming starting a new job. It's so much harder when you're remote. And it like adds a sense of like security or confidence to a process that's really difficult and feels very unknown. But it is really nice to have everything in there, so we don't have to like constantly go search for it every time or save everything locally. Being able to put it all in there makes it really easy to make sure that everyone is using the latest and greatest. So I really like that feature. And I like that you can like react and chat within Flowla. You can react to things, you can like chat within it, you can comment, like all of that. I really like that interactivity. And I'm not like, it's nice that we can meet our buyers wherever they are. And if they want to comment within the thing, they can. If they want to go to email, they can, like whatever. But I do like that about Flowla as well. We had one customer in our buyer survey say, we really enjoyed the proposal and how friendly it was. Everything was at our fingertips. And that's so true. It's so nice to just have everything all contained there. And then another customer in the buyer survey said, we loved the landing page with resources and demos that was shareable with other members of my team. These are the types of comments that made it really easy to tell our finance team, no, make an exception for us. We have to buy this tool.